This 2016 Grand Design Imagine 2600RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Grand Design is 29 feet 8 inches in length and features one slideout, Sleep 6, Skylight, slideout, water heater, leveling jacks, oven, stove top burner, spare tire kit, LP detector, TV, microwave, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Grand Design Imagine 2600RB is 5,795 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.